It's the beginning of October, and it was 107 today. Heat index. It's beginning of October. What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos, helpful detailing videos, a little bit of both. Guys, today we're going to be doing some unboxing. Check this out. We get a box from Car Guy Supplies, and they are carrying some new stuff. Not really new stuff. Well, a little bit of new stuff. Let's see what they have in the box. Oh, I'm excited about this. So Car Guy Supplies has now discontinued the coupon codes, at least for the Miranda Detailing coupon codes that we had. What they've done is instituted a new program, and this program builds up credit that you can use for the store. Up to 50% in credit to use back in the store. Now it starts in different tiers, 2% if you spend up to a certain amount, up to 10%, or 2, 5, 10, and then it goes all the way up to 50% if you're purchasing a lot of products. Now again, this is designed for detailers, professionals who buy a lot of products because we have to. Yeah, we do try to search for coupons and deals. Amazon is good for that. You can't always get everything on Amazon. There are some products that you can't get on Amazon that you can only get at Car Guy Supplies. For instance, the AM Detail line. Alan over at AM Details in Scotland makes these products. They are awesome. I have a ton of how-to videos. Check out the links down below. Car Guy Supplies is not the only carrier in the US, but at least the one here that can ship to the eastern side of the US quickly. And he offers great prices, great deals. And he's actually working on the prices to lower some of the prices on the AM Details because he is shipping them in from Scotland. Now he is carrying the MEGUAIR'S line, which I'm super excited about. Who doesn't love MEGUAIR'S? They make amazing products. Yeah, Car Guy Supplies carries G-Technic, Car Pro, Dr. Beasley's, AM Details, a few other ones that I just can't remember off the top of my head. Let's look at what we ordered through Car Guy Supplies. I have some products, I have some pads. Let's check it out. Long list of stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, I forgot I ordered that. Ooh, some things I haven't tried. Okay, great. So let's look at what we got going on. Let's get the big stuff out of the way. Now, this stuff I've used before. The wheel brightener, I think this one is still my favorite. I was using the Nano Skin one, and that's good, but I think this one is better. So we have some of this we're going to use. We're going to be doing a video on how to use an acid-based wheel cleaner safely. When to use it, how to use it. Because this is acid-based, and I do use acid-based cleaners, not all the time, but for really gross wheels, we'll show you how to use that. Now here's one of the new products from MEGUAIR'S, their Power Cleaner Plus, their Citrus Power Cleaner. Now they have a citrus wash and wax, which they'll be carrying, I'm sure soon, but they don't have it yet. This is a low foaming, concentrated all-purpose cleaner, safe on carpets, upholstery, leather, plastics, more. We're gonna test this product out. I'm very excited about this. Now we have the new MEGUAIR'S Mirror Glaze 210. So this is their Ultra Pro finishing polish. Very excited about this. This will be an awesome product to use. I have been getting a lot of requests for paint correction how-tos, which that's really what I've been wanting to do, and I've been trying to find a way to make a video that is concise and brief. Really, anyone can do paint correction. You just need to know what you're doing, have good products. That's the polish. Here's the Ultra Speed compound. Compound. So 110 and 210. I am very excited about this. I have the new Rennie Doyle's Double Black Carpet Bomber. Now this is supposed to be a really good interior cleaner. It deodorizes also while cleaning, dissolves dirt, all that good stuff. We're going to be, oops, sorry, I didn't have that in the camera, did I? Yeah, the Carpet Bomber, carpet and upholstery cleaner. So excited to use this stuff because I am searching for a good, strong upholstery cleaner because upholstery is annoying to clean and horrible to clean, and it doesn't always come out good. I also have their Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner, so we'll be doing a video and review on this as well. And I also picked up some of the bottles from MEGUAIR'S, so their wheel brightener bottle, which I have one, but it's starting to look grungy, and I like to have nice labeled bottles. It's hard to find labels. If you guys know where to get good labels, you know, that are printed on here or just label separates, let me know down below in the comment section. I also have their Citrus Power Cleaner Plus, the bottle, and I also have the Last Touch detailer. Now I didn't buy a gallon of Last Touch. I actually have a gallon that I got from a customer, which was very generous of him. He gave me a gallon of this stuff because he wasn't going to use it anymore, so I wanted a bottle for that. Now we have pads upon pad. What we're going to do with these pads is show you the paint correction process. So I loaded up on compounding, polishing pads, finishing pads, both the 5-inch and 3-inch variety. I also have these purple wool pads. Now these are all from Lake Country. I've actually never used these before. I always use microfiber, but we're going to use these because these cut very, very well and supposedly finish well as, you know, also, depending on the paint, of course. I have the little 3-inch pads, which also very excited about those. All right, that is it. My goodness, it is way too hot out. Okay, so wheel brightener, power cleaner plus. Oh, I put this up here, I forgot about it. The Optimum tire protection coating to put on tires. So I'm also very excited about this stuff. I gotta try more Optimum. They carry the Optimum line. That was the other line that I forgot. So Optimum car care stuff that they carry, and I'm also interested in getting their clear coat restore, which is basically a hand applied clear coat that you can put on bumpers. Very interested about that product because it could be used on headlights and a few other things. And for headlights, I did purchase the MEGUAIR'S spray-on stuff, and I still need to do this. I'm actually going to be doing this on my own headlights. Now, if you remember, I actually did a video a couple of months ago where I put Ceramic Pro on one of my headlights after refinishing it, and Geon Mose on the other headlight. Both of them have already started to yellow. So it went through a brutal summer here in Richmond, Virginia, and they're already yellowing. So coatings on headlights, not really going to do much for yellowing. And what is she doing? So we're going to refinish it again, just a light polish. It doesn't need any sanding. It's just oxidizing so much here in the hot sun. And guys, we will be doing a paint correction course, I guess is what you can call it. And I may have to put it into a couple of different parts to show everything in one concise short video that's maybe 10 minutes long. That's difficult to do because you gotta explain the ins and outs of paint correction and paint. It's not just put a pad on, compound, hit the paint, wipe it, you're done. There's a lot more to it because every car is different. Every defect is going to be different. Paints are going to react differently to different pads, different compounds, different polishes. There's a lot that goes on with that, but we can simplify it. We can make it a lot easier to understand, especially if you're just starting out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this unboxing of our stuff from Car Guy Supplies. So guys, go check out carguysupplies.com and buy some of the products there and start building up that credit that you can use right back in the store. So the more you buy, the more you spend there. If you're going to be using Car Guy Supplies as your main detailing supplier, you will build up credit and then you'll be able to use that right back in the store and actually get free stuff. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, if you're interested in the apparel that we have, the t-shirts, the hoodies, the mugs, buy some of that stuff. I have links down below because the more you buy the apparel and the merchandise that we have, that goes into an account to fund giveaways. I'm trying to build that account up so that I can purchase products and tools to give away on our channel. What do you think about that, guys? I want to use that money to give back to you. You can get some merchandise and support the Miranda Detailing channel, and you can also get some stuff from our giveaways. So thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a safe week. Take care.